Our number one most asked question is if we can do an inside tour of our RV. Now is the perfect time to do it because we're getting ready to go. We are not done with all of our renovations, but now is the perfect chance to get to see where we're at right now before we head out. Now, Cord is patiently waiting inside to start this tour, so let's go see what she's doing.
Okay guys, we're inside now, so we're going to start in the living room area. So over here in one of our slides, we have our entertainment center. We have a
55.
This is a 55-inch TV and then a sound bar, and then it's on an entertainment center that we got from IKEA. It's really, really cool. Tim actually bolted this down, so the entertainment center and the TV are like connected, so they're not going to fall over when we're driving and moving around. Storage wise, under here, this is a Bluetooth speaker that we just take outside and use. Lasts like over 24 hours. So as far as storage wise, we have some books, we have our movies in DVD player, and then over here we just have some extra storage, like a storage pot, our printer, some more DVDs, and then on the end, so on here we just have some miscellaneous like office stuff. We have some pictures that we need to hang up, and then a really fancy candle. So we still are trying to figure out where we want to put everything in here, but right now that seems to be working best for us. Tim also did put some baskets behind the TV, so any like additional storage that we don't necessarily need to be able to get to every day, we can store back there. So yeah, so moving on, this was the most requested spot for us to talk about. This is Finley's little corner. Really, she has the whole back of the slide. We just have her pack and play in our bedroom right now, so that's just not out here. But we have this cute little cloud light that we got from IKEA, and then Tim built this bow holder. They're just from Ace Hardware, these little rods he cut, and then little hook things, so all you have to do is lift that up and then pull a and then just pull a bow off. It just makes it a lot easier. She has so many, I couldn't find them all. And then we got this cart from IKEA when she was born, and it's super convenient. We just have all of her changing stuff on top, her wipes, her diapers, then all of her like ointments and like lotion and bath stuff. I have my pump. We have some toys for her because she's starting to use her hands a lot, so we have a ton of toys. And then down there is just some miscellaneous blankets and stuff like that. This is just really nice because it's really like convenient. Everything's in one spot, so we don't have to go back and forth if we're in the living room with her. And then her diaper pail.
That's mobile.
Oh yeah, this is also on wheels, so it is mobile. So if we are in the bedroom, we can put it in there. When the slides are in, we can roll it somewhere else. It's just super easy. It was amazing when she was born in the house, and it's even more convenient in here. The diaper pail is really important too, because in an RV you don't necessarily have a separate spot for a trash can, and you don't always get to dump your trash can every day. So having that is super key to not having the whole RV smell like diapers. So then we have her playmat, and then we have her Mamaroo. We just keep her car seat and stuff like that just in the truck, just so it doesn't take up as much space. But these are the main things she uses, so that's where that's at. And then right next to it is where the pack and play is going to go when she transitions out of our bedroom. As far as storage above, we just have been putting her extra diapers and wipes up here, and then we Tim's sewing stuff. So there's the sewing machine as well as his little tote. So we still have a lot of space. Like, we don't know how to utilize all of it because we don't have that much stuff. So that's still a work in progress. And then over in this corner, we have Bella's basket of toys, just so she has access to that. And then we also have this little container that holds all of her food, and it's like vacuum sealed, so it's just really convenient. And then, let's see, and then we have Tim's hats. We just got some hooks from Ace Hardware, and it just was super easy. I don't know if I've talked about that. But, and then we hung up a couple of pictures that we have. We haven't hung up all of our pictures yet, but these ones are our favorites, so we hung them up first. Curtain-wise, we did get these curtains from Target. They are actually a shower curtain. So we ordered a bunch of them, and Tim's been sewing them and making them like custom fit to size. So yeah, so it has like gold flecks and stuff in it. And then for the windows, so in the winter time it gets really, really cold inside the RV, more so than a house, and it also gets very, very hot. So Tim got this like reflective foam stuff and just cut it to fit inside, and he's sewing fabric and putting stuffing in it just to put in the windows for extra insulation. It keeps the sun out to make it cooler, to keep it cooler in here, and then in the winter time it just is added insulation. So all of the windows will have that when we're done. So over here we have a sleeping baby. Watch out, Bella. So this is our couch. We got this from IKEA as well. A lot of people in the RV community have this couch. This right here pulls out, and so you have a full bed. I'm not going to do it right now because she is sleeping. But it is really cool because it does have a storage option underneath as well. So I've been using that. And then, oh, also real quick, the rug that we have in here is from Wayfair. So, and then this one, this storage we probably use the most, and it's the messiest, but we have all of our important like documents, and we have all our important documents, all of our cords, just a lot of like our day-to-day like stuff you would find in an office. We just keep up there, so it's easily accessible. Okay. And then we did share this previously. Tim had made this light. We got this from IKEA, and it was just a candle like tea lamp, and he wired it so it could be a little reading light over here for us, so that's pretty cool. And then moving over to this corner, this is Tim's command center. This is where all the magic happens. This is how we get videos out to you guys. That's pretty self-explanatory, right? And then we did get this so another huge thing with small spaces is you want things to be very bright and light to make the spaces look bigger, and mirrors are a really good way of doing that as well. So we decided to get a full-length mirror to put that here. We got this from Walmart, I'm pretty sure. And then moving on to the kitchen, this is where Bella's food and water is. So as far as the kitchen goes, we redid quite a bit. We actually got a brand new sink, and we got a brand new faucet as well, and it comes off. It's really cool. So sink and faucet are brand new. All the paint, the white, the handles, the hinges, everything are brand new as well. Let's see. We have our Keurig. That's very important. Just some utensils as far as storage goes. We're still figuring out where everything goes, but this is a mess. But we have our Instapot and a few basic pots and pans up there, just easier access. Above the microwave, we have a toaster and a toaster oven. We use those pretty much every day, if not every other day. And then we do have an oven and a stove. We haven't used the oven yet. This all runs off propane, so it is gas. But we've been enjoying our smoker that Tim got for his birthday, so we haven't really been cooking inside too much. This is a custom cutting board that Tim got me for Christmas. So that just hangs out up here. And then right when you walk in, we have this little cubby hole. It just has all of like Bella's leash, her collars, keys, just kind of that everyday walk out the door stuff. That's where this spot is. Oh, she's with you. And then we also have some shoe storage down there. This is like the stuff we wear pretty much every day. It's not all of our shoes. And then right next to that, so then right when you walk in, we do have our fridge. We did replace the fronts of them, so they are like, you can use a marker on it, so we can make lists and stuff like that. Because what we had before, we weren't really utilizing. So you want everything to be multi-purpose when it comes to an RV. Storage-wise, we have a bunch of extra paper towels. That's what happens when you have a Costco membership. Oh, one fun thing before we get out of the kitchen. Tim finally got this, well, Tim got this installed. It's this fan. It's super fancy. It sucks all of, like, if you're cooking and there's any, like, steam, or, like, if you're cooking bacon or anything like that, it just sucks all of it out. All of, like, it vents very, very well. So that's been amazing. And then we want to do
That
this
fan, that fan is a Max Air fan, and I got it on Amazon. I will link that down below. The factory fan, or the factory hole didn't even have a fan in it. But all right, back to you.
Alright, so next to this, we have our main pantries. In here, we just have our Tupperware, like plates, bowls, stuff like that. In here, we just have like snacks, so we have like our Pyro Booty and our oatmeal, and just kind of like our snack or everyday like quick grabs. And then up here, we have all of our like our cups and mugs and stuff like that. Up there we do have all of Finley's like bottles and her drying rack and stuff like that. She's not really using that stuff right now, but when she does need them, we just have them quick access. So Tim was, when we were remodeling, there was carpet originally all throughout here, and when he was tearing up the carpet on the step, it completely came out and broke. So he had to build all new steps. So this is all made by scratch. Along the side, they are not finished yet. We are wanting to do kind of what the Chicks Life did. They have like spines of books on the outside. We want to just do something kind of like that, something creative to make it fun. So moving forward, we do not have anything else remodeled. So we weren't able, if you saw our previous videos, we did talk about how we weren't able to get everything done renovated before we left. So from here moving forward, everything's original. Okay, so here is another pantry that we have. So this is more of our like canned goods and like just baking supplies and stuff like that. So we don't use this one as much. Right up the stairs is our bathroom. Pretty simple. We have like our sink, a shower, and a toilet. Cool thing about this toilet is you literally have to use a pedal to flush. So that's pretty different from a normal bathroom in your house. Okay, so now we're going to head into the bedroom. We do have a door, so we are able to close it when we do put Finley down for bed for the night, or if we just want some alone time or to escape, we have this option to close that. And then right when you walk in, we have my jewelry holder. And then
That was homemade, right?
yeah, Uncle Phil actually made this for me, so another shout out to Uncle Phil. So our bed is just a standard queen bed. It works perfectly for us. And then over here is our first form of storage. So in here we have extra sheets, extra pillowcases, some towels, all of our laundry detergent, and some extra miscellaneous stuff as well. Up here we do have all our salt lamp and sound machine for Finley for nighttime. And then at the foot of the bed we have her pack and play. This is where she sleeps at nighttime. It is a travel light one, so it is a lot smaller than the standard pack and play. Moving over here, we have up here, we just have some miscellaneous stuff as well. We have an extra quilt, we have a couple games, all my makeup, and some extra blankets for Finley as well. We don't get into that one too much. And then the drawers. So this top drawer is full of Tim's boxers and socks, and then this is my underwear drawer, so I have all my bras and stuff like that in there. And then on the bottom we have all of Finley's clothes organized down here. We have all of her bath stuff, we have her onesies, her pajamas, her pants, some socks. Everything's organized in here, so easy access for that. And then on this side we have all of my clothes. I have like my sweatpants, my jeans, some tank tops, some shorts. Continuing on with Finley's clothes, we have some of her nicer stuff. We just hang up her bibs, her sleep sacks, stuff like that. And then we also have Finley's bathtub that folds up, that's portable. I have my breast pump. Behind there we have a couple totes. We have our shoes, and then underneath is just some more of Finley's stuff that she's either outgrown that we're going to save for baby number 2, or she just doesn't need yet. And on this side we have all of Tim's and I's clothes. This is his shirts, and then here are my shirts, and then his pants and shorts and stuff up there. So that's where all of our clothes are. Alright guys, well that is a tour of our RV and our home on wheels. Thanks for watching.